Welcome to Curie Electronics. In this video, we are going to learn about the Karnaugh map. And this video will have four parts. The first part we will learn about what is the Karnaugh map and what are the types of Karnaugh map drawn, what are the rules. And the second one we will mainly focus on sum of products. The third one, product of sums. And the fourth one, the remaining some of the good questions we'll try to solve it. So this Karnaugh map I have planned to take it in four parts. So let's start. So what is a K-map? K-map or Karnaugh map. This is a graphical method to simplify sum of products and product of sum Boolean expression. Simply if we say it is a graphical method to simplify the Boolean expression or Boolean theorem or Boolean laws. Let me write it. In K-map, we have a concept something called the cells. We have to a K-map, simply if we say a K-map consists of cells. This is a 4 variable K-map. Here each box is called a cell. Each boxes are known as the cell. So the K-map, the Boolean expression, we can put it in value of ones and zeros in cells. Now how do you know how many cells we should draw? This is for 4 variables, 3 variable, 2 variable or 5 variable. How many cells we have to draw? There we have number of cells. Number of cells required equal to, it is given by 2 to the power n. Number of cells is given by 2 to the power n. So how many cells required? By using 2 to the power n equation we could find. So what is the n here? N is the number of variables. Number of variables. Number of variables. Number of variables. Whether this is correct or not. So here we have 4 variables A, B, C, D, and this is the Karnaugh map I have drawn for it. So how number of cells? Number of cells equals 2 to the power n, where n is the number of variables. So 2 to the power, what is here number of variables? That is 4. So 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. It is right, we have 16 cells here. Now what is SOP? I hope all of you know what is SOP and POP. SOP means sum of products. That is, we can represent expression y equal to A, B, C or A, B bar C or A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the SOP form, sum of products. See, the product terms, we are ORing it. This is the sum of products. Then what about POP? Product of sums. Product of sums. Let me write it as y equal to A, B, A or B or C and A bar, B bar or this is the this way it is. This is the product of sums. We are taking the product of sum terms or with A or B bar or C. See, this form is the product of sum terms. Now you can identify what is the product of sum term and what is SOP. So here in SOP, each term is known as the min term. And in POS, that is product of sums, each term is known as the max term. So you are aware of what is min term and what is max term. Then in SOP, we groups SOP, sum of products. What we do, we'll group the ones. Group of ones to simplify the expression. In POP, what we do, we group the zeros. Now you might have understood there are two types of Karnaugh maps. Group of ones and group of zeros. Then we come across some terms called what is its pair. Pair means group of two ones. Group of two ones or zeros. Okay. Group of two ones or zeros. Then what is there? Pair. Then chord. Group of four ones. Ones means if you are doing SOP, it is ones. If you are doing POP, it is zeros. Then we have octet. Octet means group of 8. Octet, group of 8. And if it is SOP, ones, POP, it is zeros. If all 60, okay, this is the last case. When you do, we'll see. Now let's try to understand how do we draw K-map for 2 variable and 3 variable and 4 variable. First one is a 2 variable Karnaugh map. How do you draw it? 2 variable means what? You have 2 variables. So how many cells? 2 to the power n. So we need 2 to the power 2. So 4 cells. A, B. So A can take 2 values. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And now let me write the cell position. See, the first cell, this cell represents 0, 1. The horizontally will take 0, 0, 0. Horizontally 0, vertically also 0. The next cell, horizontally 0, vertically 1. And here, horizontally 1, vertically 0. So 1, 0. And then this 1, 0 is the min term. It represents 1, 0. 1, 0 means what? Here, one more thing you have to write. One more thing you have to understand. What is it? That is a variable. If you write A, this is equal to 1. A complement equal to 0. B, if you write it as 1, B equal to 1, then B complement equal to 0. So here when you write 1, 0 here, what does it mean? It means A equal to 1, B equal to 0. That is B complement. That is what it meant. And what is the last one? Horizontally 1, vertically also 1. So this is the Karnaugh map for 2 variables. Then what about the 3 variable? Three variables. 3 variables you can draw it in 2 ways. How? That is, I can take A here and BC here. This is a 3 variable. So A can take 2 values, that is horizontally only two values. So A can take 0 or 1. For 2 variables, what are the combination we'll get? 0 0 0 1. Then we write 1 1, not 1 0. It is based on the gray code 1 0. Now, what is the first cell represents what? Horizontally 0, vertically 0 0. The second cell represent horizontally 0, vertically 0 1. The third cell horizontally 0, vertically 1 1. Fourth cell horizontally 0, vertically 1 0. And then a 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1, horizontally 1, vertically 1 0. How do you write it in variables if you want to write this? That is A, B, C bar. That is how it is. This 3 variable K-map, we can draw it in another way also. So here A, B and C will take it. So AB can take 4 combination, 4 values. That is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. What about C? C can take only 2 values, 0 1. So now we can write what are the values, what are the cell values that or min terms 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 1, horizontally 1 1, vertically 0, horizontally 1 1, vertically also 1 1, then horizontally 1 0, vertically 0, 1 0 1. This is for the 3 variable. And what about next is the 4 variable one. So 4 variable means 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Oh, 4 are there. Okay. A, B, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. I made a mistake here. It should be 1, 1. Because only one bit should change compared to the previous one. It is 1 1 1 0. You have to take care of it. Then 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is how we write. I hope now you understood how to write it. Let me finish it up. 0 0 1 1. This is 0 0 1 0. Then horizontally 0 1, vertically 0 0. Next horizontally 0 1, vertically 0 1, horizontally 0 1, vertically 1 1, 0 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0. Then what we have 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1. Then we have 1 1 1 0, 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1. 1 0 1 1. Then we have again 1 0 1 0. These are the max terms we are going to represent. Now let's see the rules to be followed to draw the K-map. So what are the rules to be followed when you draw the Karnaugh map? Group zeros with zeros and ones with ones. So we will do the grouping of ones if it is sum of products, and group of zeros it is POP, product of sums. Then the second rule is group can overlap each other. This and all when we do, we will be clear about it. Then group can contain only 2 to the power n. That is, it can contain only one member, only one cell, or a pair, or a chord, or a octet, or 6. When comes 16, if all in a 4 variable Karnaugh map, if all are 1, then our expression output is going to be 1. Groups can only be horizontal or vertical. It can't be diagonal. Each group should be large as possible. So we should try to make large group always. Opposite grouping and corner grouping is allowed. This we will see what you mean by this. There should be as few groups as possible. Now let's see what are these. See, this is a Karnaugh map. A, B are the variables. Okay, it's a 2 variable Karnaugh map. So if we have 1 here, we can group this. How? It's a pair. These adjacent ones are a pair. We have to pair it. Similarly, now what about this is a horizontal way. Let's take a 3 variable one. So this is A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. If here 2 ones are there, then we can pair it. This is the vertical pairing. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. This is actually horizontal. These ones are not horizontal. These are diagonal. This cannot be paired. Okay, this can't be paired. These ones can be paired. So diagonally you can't pair. Horizontally you can pair. Vertically also you can pair. Then what about a chord? A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If you have 1, 1, 1, 1, these all let be 0. Then we can pair these 4 ones. These 4 ones. This is a chord. It's a chord. The other way this is vertically. Similar way, in a 4 variable K-map, we can pair it horizontally also. Or in a 3 variable also, we can pair it horizontally. Or the code could be like this also. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is in the case of I am doing is for sum of products. This is also a chord. Octet. What about a octet? So what if it is, see here, now if it is in POP, product of sums, POS. If it is a product of sums, then we have to group the zeros. This and all we will see in the coming parts. We will see in detail. So here if it is 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1, in product of sums, what we do, we will pair the zeros. It is just like the ones, but here we are going to pair the zeros. Well, let's see one more. What about the octet? Octet means what happens? In octet, what happens? 8 ones we can group it, or 8 zeros. It is the sum of products. Sum of products, 8 ones we can group it. There is something called, now this is the octet. Octet. Then what about, in the something we called it can be opposite side also can be paired, or corner can be paired. Something was there like that. What does it mean? It is, let us take, it is 1, this also 1, 0 0 0 1 1. Now what it says, we can pair these two. This also becomes a pair. Also we can pair these two also. These two also we can pair. That's a corner pairing. Corner pairing, let me draw it once more. Corner pairing, what happens? We have a 1 here, 1 here. These two we can make one pair. That is a corner pairing. Opposite means vertically or horizontally we can pair it. When you do the problems, when you do the in the next part, what we will do? We will solve the sum of products Karnaugh map. Then it will be much more clear. These are the, now you should know some more things. What I will write some more info regarding the K-map. So let's before winding up this part 1, let's understand this. For a 4 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map. A group of a one cell group yields a 4 variable product term. Then if you have a pair, that is a 2 cell group yields a 3 variable product term. So one variable get cancels when we simplify a pair, 2 cells. A 4 cell group yields a 2 variable product term. So now we have grouped 4 ones or 4 zeros, then the answer will be 2 variable product terms. 2 variables got eliminated. That is why we say we need, the group should be as large as possible. A 8 cell group yields 1 variable. See, when the number of ones or zeros are increased to 8 and we made them group, only 1 variable has come as the answer. So we should look for a larger variables, larger group. A 16 cell group yields a value of 1 for the expression. So now we got the basic idea about Karnaugh map. The next part, what we do, we will concentrate on the sum of products questions, how to solve it. So if you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.